nearly beer o'clock. Don't mind if I do. So it is part 3 of the horsebox bar conversion project, and it's about time we started doing something about a hatch and indeed a floor. So over I head to the shipping containers, and this is where we've been storing composite decking. That wasn't quite go to plan. Anyway, never mind.
I'd love to help him, but I'm on my tea break. Hello, Robin. Hello, yeah.
So this decking came off Adam and Nigel's balcony when they had an extension done, and we're going to use it for the horse box floor because it can't possibly rot and it's nice and thick. So there we go. So here's my new Evolution battery operated mitre saw. So this is great because you can use it anywhere you like. You don't have to plug it in. It makes it very versatile. And being versatile, you can just take it outside, so all the sawdust is outside. So if all the boards carefully cut to size, it's time to get them hammered in. Now they are going to come out again so that all the rust can be treated, but I just wanted to get the floor in because that then gives me my measurements for the hatch. So this will all come out again, but it's all made ready to lay, so that'll be a pretty good surface. Then after much careful measuring and remeasuring, it was time to set to and cut that hatch in the side of the trailer. So there we go, and as if by magic, come on then, is it right high? I know it's up on stands. Hello, sir, would you like a drink? We haven't got any. We do sell comical drills. They're $2.99. If you want the drill bit, that's extra. I didn't know that came out. That's actually quite a good toy. There you go. Do take card. After I dispose of my slightly awkward customer, I set to making the frame which will go around that hole that I cut in the side of the horse box, and that'll put the strength back in the side of the body, connecting up those angles that are the frame, and also make a neat job of finishing off the edge. So over to my Evolution metal cutting chop saw, and then weld it all up on the bench using my Artec ProMeg 250, and then as if by magic, it's all ground up nicely. And it's important that that's all ground up because that sits flush sort of inside the aperture that I've cut. Ah, yeah. There it is. I need 2 hands. So for the actual hatch lid itself, I need T-section steel, so it'll lip over the frame that I've already made that's in the side of the horse box, and also give me a lip in order to put an infill panel in it, so there's something to catch all of the edges. So T-section is perfect, and I happen to have a bit up the top of the yard which I've had for years. But what I didn't have was some hinges, so I may have nipped next door into Toby's in the dead of night and liberated this pair of hinges here just to make a temporary job to check if everything clears to pivot. Because if the frame's too tight in the other frame, when it goes to pivot on an arc, it'll catch. And it doesn't. Perfect. Now you may think this hatch is awfully high, hence the ladder. It's because the trailer's up on axle stands, and I have measured in accordance with that. So it will be the right height once it's on the wheels down on the floor, I can assure you. Anyway, there it is. There are the 2 frames. That's the bulk of the work done. There's going to be one at the back. Join us next time for part 4.